Okay, so hi everyone. This will be a tutorial on how to utilize text to mind mapping, as can be seen here. So basically what we're going to do is simply going to go here on our left hand side and we shall remove the given text. So the idea is by inserting text onto the left hand side in this gray table here or column, it should appear, a diagram or illustration should appear on this right hand side. So maybe we can start off with a title. Let's call this mathematics. Like so. And for the first topic that will be discussed in mathematics, it is algebra. And followed by, in algebra, we start off with basic algebra. As you can see, every line that is typed becomes a node in the mind map, like so. So you can easily drag it around. So just by entering your text, you can create branch from a node by simply indenting, as can be seen. So we have a branch and a new node just simply by indenting. So if I was to add some more indentations, so let me just paste here. Okay, so you'll see that it automatically creates this nicely color-coded mind map, which you can just organize to a format that you like. Okay, so this is my mind map, like so. So in order for you to save this, you can right click and you can save the image as, or you may wish to copy the image and probably paste it on a Word document or whatever other project that you're using that is in need of a mind map. If not, that is it for my demonstration of using text to mind map. Thank you.